Hello, my dear friends. I am your new maths tutor. Today, let's discuss about 10th class, first chapter, real numbers. Real numbers are many types of numbers. First, let's discuss about natural numbers. Natural numbers are denoted by n. The natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on up to infinity are called natural numbers. Now let's discuss about whole numbers. The whole numbers are denoted by W. Whole numbers are natural numbers included with 0 are called whole numbers. The whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on up to infinity are called whole numbers. Now let's discuss about integers. Integers are denoted by Z. It is denoted by Z because integers are also called zenith numbers. Integers are whole numbers including negative numbers. Now let's take some examples of integers. Minus infinity, so on, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on up to infinity are integers. Now let's talk about rational numbers. Rational numbers are denoted by q. The definition of rational numbers is it should be in form of p by q, where p comma q are belong to integers and q is not equal to 0 and p q should be co-primes. Now let's talk about irrational numbers. Irrational numbers is quite opposite of rational numbers. So irrational numbers are denoted by q dash. The definition of irrational number is it is not in form of p by q, where p comma q are not belong to integers and q is not equal to 0 law is not followed in this. Now let's take examples of rational numbers and irrational numbers. The examples of rational numbers are 1 by 2, 3 by 4, even 5 is an irrational number as we can express 5 as 5 by 1. The examples of irrational number are root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, and all roots except perfect roots are examples of irrational numbers. Even pi is an irrational number. We all know that pi is approximately known as 22 by 7, but the correct value of pi is 3.141.925 and so on. So it's a non-terminating recurring decimal. So it comes under rational number. Now let's talk about rational numbers. The rational numbers are natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, and rational numbers combined with irrational numbers are called real numbers. The real numbers are denoted with R. R is equal to Q plus Q dash. Q and Q dash are belong to R. Now let's see an pie chart among the real numbers. Natural number Natural numbers is belong to whole numbers. Whole numbers is belong to integers. Integers is belong to rational numbers. And the q dash means irrational numbers is in separate pie chart. These irrational numbers and rational numbers combined are called real numbers. Now I will draw it neatly and show you. This is a neat diagram showing the explanation of real numbers. So today we completed the topic of definitions in real numbers. Let's take a quick recap of what we learned. We learned about natural numbers. The definition of natural numbers is The 1 to infinity numbers are called natural numbers. And we discussed about whole numbers. The whole numbers are natural numbers included with 0 are called whole numbers. The whole numbers are 0, 1, 2 and so on up to infinity are called whole numbers. And we discussed about integers. The integers are denoted by z, which are negative and positive numbers are known as integers. And we discussed about rational numbers. The rational numbers are the numbers which are in form of p by q, where p comma q are belong to integers and q is not equal to 0. And we discussed about irrational numbers, which is opposite of rational numbers. And finally we came to know about real numbers. The rational numbers combined with irrational numbers are called real numbers. So finally we understood that the natural numbers are included in whole numbers and whole numbers are included in integers and integers are included in rational numbers. So the natural numbers can be a part of rational numbers and whole numbers also can be a part of rational numbers and integers also can be part of rational numbers. But irrational is a separate part. The rational numbers and irrational numbers combined are called real numbers. So today we completed the topic on definitions of real numbers. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment it. If you have any doubts, please refer the description as I pin the whole topic in the description.